So I'm going over my scripts that my scriptwriter wrote, and I'm deciding if I need to get a new scriptwriter because even though I gave her Grammarly and everything, and I thought things would be a little bit better, it just isn't working. And it might just be because of the language difference, like because she's from the Philippines and English isn't her first language. Things get lost in translation, and it's like little things like, well, for example, I'll just say Voyager. One of the videos is about Voyager 2, and the way the sentence keeps getting structured is like the Voyager 2, the Voyager 2. And and so like I'm editing it and just crossing that out, but that's a little thing. There's just other things, and mostly being sentence structure, and I don't really know how to fix it just because I'm not the best at writing either. That's why I use Grammarly, but I don't know. Maybe she's using Grammarly and just ignoring those, because there's an option in Grammarly where you can just ignore. Actually, let me check it. Maybe she's just ignoring some of the Grammarly suggestions with, because there's like a little dismiss button that you can click. I'll put it up in the screen over here, and that might be why all these sentences aren't the way they are. So it's tough because she's been with me for since the beginning, basically since the beginning of the scripts, and so I don't really know how else I can help make it easier and make the scripts better. So yeah, if anybody has any suggestions on what to do, please let me know. Cause she's been great. She's been writing a bunch of scripts from the beginning, did like call to actions and everything, like without me having to tell her. It was a little too much in the beginning. Made a guideline, it was fixed, but there's still these things here, and it could be because there's more videos on this. Because before I had two channels. This one, the main one, which is mainly tech things. Well, I mean, this is space, but space tech, whatever. And the second one being self-improvement. The self-improvement stuff was a lot easier for her. Stuff was fine, well, a lot better. And this, just because it a little bit more technical, that could be why it's difficult. That could be why it's difficult. So this is the little kind of trouble I'm having now, whether I should try to find another freelancer, whether I should try to find another scriptwriter, or just keep seeing what else I can do to make the scripts better. Because that was the one thing I wanted to change a lot, which was the script, because everything else can be changed. Like let's say you can change the thumbnail in the future, you can change the title, but there's two things you can't change. Well, technically three. It's going to be the editing, the voiceover, and the script. And I think honestly the editing is pretty good. The voiceover, it sounds different because most of the voiceovers are like deep voices, whatever. Mine isn't a deep voice. That'll stand out. It's clear enough. It's fine. But the script, that's just the big thing that I think will make a difference. So yeah, that's all I really wanted to say. I guess one of the big struggles right now that I've been noticing. Yeah, I'll figure it out.